Hi everyone, it's Donna. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope today's video finds you well. So as Black Friday week is fast approaching, I thought I'd share three of my favorite finds from Amazon, or as I like to call them, my Samazon favorites. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thanks. Today I am sharing my rolling storage cart, my stackable tea bag organizer, and my rechargeable motion sensor ceiling light. And since I'm a lover of red vine licorice, I will be scoring these on a score of 1 to 5, 5 being best. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first up, because my calyx is kind of centered on the wall there, to the right it left this gaping spot. I had a light fixture there, I put some plants there, I had stacking frames. Anyways, I needed to fill that gap and it was hard to find something that exact width to fill it. I did find this awesome product on Amazon. It was a two-piece, two rolling carts, and the sizes were perfect. I needed one for my bathroom and one for this spot. And so this was awesome. It gives you these little cup holders for, other trinkets and stuff like that. If you want to use it that way, you don't have to. But I really liked the height and the width. It worked out perfect. And the color matched as well. Again, it was a perfect fit. The color was perfect. The height was perfect. I was able to put my electronic goods in there. And I just love that the fact that it was a rolling cart. But then when I painted my calyx black, I was like, oh no, what am I going to do? So I took it outside, spray painted it black, and put it in there. And it worked out perfectly. Seamless. So this little spot in my bathroom, it was about 5 to 6 inches wide, but the problem that I kept having with other caddies is the wheels would stick out on the side, and so it wouldn't fit in that slot. So finding this, it worked out perfect because the wheels are really kind of underneath the caddy and not so much sticking out on the side, so I can fit it in there. Worked out perfectly. And I just keep some of my laundry goods in there, and I just love that it fits this slot. This 2-pack deal was a real win, a real win. Both caddies are adjustable and super easy to put together and very, very lightweight. So on my red vine scale, 1 to 5, 5 being best, I give this a 5. Okay, great. What do we have next? Okay, teas. Tea. I am a big tea drinker. Drink it several times a day. I'm not a coffee person. Yes, I just love my tea. And one of my favorite brands of teas is Yogi brand teas. I love them all. Big fan, big fan. And I also love all those teachable moments that they have on their tags. I started printing them out and framing them around the house. I don't know. I'm a fan. But I needed something to house all my teas, and I found this awesome stackable tea bag organizer on Amazon. I think what I like about this style better than the others is it's a drawer style. So you don't have to take the whole thing off, to take the lid off, to access your tea bags. You just pull open the drawers, and I really like that. And the size is perfect. I can leave it on my countertop if I want to. I do see a lot of pictures of it in your cupboards, which is perfectly fine if you want to do that as well. And then I also like the fact that they kind of lock into each other when you put one on top of the other. The cool thing on this also is that the dividers are removable. So you can make it a different size if you choose. And it's not necessarily just for teas. You can use this a multitude of ways. And so I just think it's really nice. And again, I love the slimness to it. The size is perfect. So on my red vine scale of 1 to 5, 5 being best, this also gets a 5. So in my kitchen, I only have a light that was over my sink, and I installed this industrial multi-directional light that I've had for years in my kitchen. And after a while, I just got tired of it. I wanted something that kind of swung in the middle, something a little bit more feminine, something prettier. And so I actually found a light that I really liked, and I installed that. I found this beautiful globe light from Home Depot and installed that. I kind of swagged it so that it hung in the middle and that light would disperse evenly throughout the kitchen. But for some reason, it still wasn't bright enough. I thought I needed something more. And so I searched for, additional lighting. So in my search, I knew I wanted something as flush to the ceiling as possible, and I happened upon these rechargeable motion sensor ceiling lights, and they worked out great because without having cam light, they were as flush as possible. I liked all the options. It gave you 3 color temperatures, was dimmable, programmable, time as far as time. And with all 3 of these products I'm showing, you can actually use them anywhere in your closet, in your kitchen. And I liked how thin it was. It didn't draw attention when you walked in my kitchen that they were there. And small in size, next to a saucer, 7.5-inch saucer. It was actually smaller than the saucer. And again, so easy to recharge. That's one of the things that I really liked, that it was super simple to recharge. I didn't have to worry about batteries or anything like that. Just it's a USB charger. Charge it when it's starts out red. When it's ready, it's green. And the install was super easy. Here I am walking into my kitchen, and even without the main light, it gives off great light in my kitchen. I'm so happy with this purchase. And with my red vine scale of 1 to 5, 5 being best, I give this product a 5. Yay! Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and watching my Samazon favorites. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you'd like, leave your comments, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.